Itiski TV powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. CAF Champions League match day number 6 Group C. Mamelodi Sundowns sibekele indawo ke quarter finals ze-CAF Champions League zale season sikuyo 2025-2026. Now but they are through to quarter finals ze-CAF Champions League. The season before bebe through the season eyodlula leya season zonke Sundowns have been playing i-CAF Champions League benza sure ukuthi badlulela ke kunqana laba elilandelayo benze sure ke namhlanje bubusini bendibulela nawo umdlalo mfowethu utshintshile mfowethu ubuka ngicabanga kanje
Aw, Shane. Bengigqoke kanjani ngalo?
Hey,
Angisho mangabe ngiyachange. No Chucks uyachange ngahle. Change ngapha nangapha.
Sharks sibukele on a very big screen. Normally sidla ngobukela ifootball. Sharks uthi no.
Yeah.
Ngizabukela icricket. Sharks sibukela icricket.
Uthi game enkulu iphelile. Kusho yena uChucks. Uthi game enkulu iphelile angazi ukuthi usho kanjani.
Bobzi,
Yeah.
let's dive into it. Congratulations to Sundowns. They are through to the quarterfinals of the CAF Champions League. Leading to lo mdlalo, there was a lot of talks. Bantu abaninzi bekhona bebedoubt. Bebekhona besithi no. Sundowns will make it happen, and guess Sundowns did make it happen. They are through to quarterfinals of the CAF Champions League. Wona bobuzini mandubulise uniqala ukubona njalo umdlalo mhlobam.
Yeah, ne asibonge Shane. Ngithanda itiming yakho Shane. Emalangeni nokungibuza ukuthi ngiright na before siqala interview. But today ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyakhona ukubona ukuthi yonke into ime kahle Shane. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi itiming ikahle. Ngiyabonga Shane ithi ngibulise uShane. I mean uJusto. Ngibulise uMr Nkeu. Ngibulise noChucks. Ngibambe ama legend wami lapha uTsono Junior.
Let's get into it.
Yeah.
What did you make of the game?
Yeah, Shane. Well done to Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah.
Well done to the technical team, the players Shane. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi Shane uma ungathi uyayibheka igame debeyiqale ngakhona besinga expectanga lokho esikubonile kule game. Yes, iSundowns the way idlale ngakhona besikulindele lokho njenge team edlala ekhaya edinga iwin ingadinga idraw ingadinga ilose. But mawungabheka side le MC Alger ayisinikezanga lento besicabanga ngathi izosilethela yona ukuthi mhlambe le game ibonakale ngathi ibanzima kuMamelodi Sundowns. So if you can check sometimes Shane when the opponent yenza kahle kuyobonakala ngathi wena vele awenzi kahle at all. Sometimes because of the opponent isuka yenze kahle game plan yayo. Bheki MC Alger the way approach le game ngakhona Shane, special first half. Yeah. Ihlezi MC Alger ifuna ukuthi invite Sundowns ukuthi ize kubo. Uma ngathi uyayibheka bebanganayo inhloso kahle kahle yok attack because even if istriker sabo sisibamba ibhola akunamuntu ozom assist uma ungabheka especially badlala ngama department. Kusho kona ukuthi emqondweni wabo ukuthi sicela ukuthi singamanisa idraw le game.
Yeah.
The problem ngabo ukuthi ba consider early. Ukuconsider early kwabo kwenza ukuthi game plan yabo vele ingasasebenzi because now bebasitshelile ukuthi if singayibamba iSundowns manje singa concede sikwazi ukuthi sidlale the way sidlala ngakhona bazoba frustrated and maba frustrated sizophuma ngama counter uma ngabe sithola ichance ukuthi sipunish. That's how you play CAF Champions League away. So unfortunately because the Sundowns ikore early bekumele yonke into vele change manje kungasile approach because uma ungabheka if you are playing away ufuna idraw Shane uzoyi approach igame angeke uma attack opponent like the way but mangabe uthola ama opponent sometimes obonayo ukuthi akunasidingo like mhlambe for example udlala nama team afana nabo Jwaneng ufuna ukuthi utholi draw you can attack them because uyabona ukuthi abekho strong enough ngaleyo ndlela. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi be disappointed iside le MC Alger because bheka nangendlela badlala ngakhona bebanga combine Shane bebanga combine be team yellow MC Alger. So uthi uyayibheka okay sidlala defensive it's fine sifuna ukuthi Sundowns sizama ukuthi siyibambe ingakhona ukuthola la ma pockets but abekho mnandi nakhona because uLeon uma ungambheka what a striker Shane umuntu engicabanga ukuthi bekumele nidile ngaye because niyambona ukuthi okay iSundowns ilethena up front inabadlali abafana nabo sales abakwazi ukumjoina so bahlulekile ukudila nalesa striker esifana nelo. Bheka second ball it's a mistake phela kube ma half chance bawenza ama chances ama-clear amagoli we-Sundowns. Uma uSales athatha leya ball, yes, it was a chance, but leya second ball is a half chance because ugoalkeeper if bekalibambile or else if i-defender ikwazi ukudefend i-second ball iba yi-chance ngale ndlela because bekuyi-half chance for loya mdlali. So ubheke na goal number 2 uma ungabheka umdlali uranele eboxini la kule niyapholi yakho Shane. Uhleka ukucloser down loya mdlali kuleya first touch, but give credit to kuleya mdlali ofana noLeon. So no goalkeeper naye bamshaya khona la kule side lakhe Shane, khona la kule pole lakhe labo uqabanga ukuthi bekumele avale kulo. So uyabona ukuthi Sundowns yenze lama chance ama half chance yawenza ama chance yakhona uconvert lawo ama chances, but give credit kuMamelodi Sundowns Shane. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi beyideserve ukuyiwina le game the way approach ngakhona lamajita. Bonke abadlali engicabanga ukuthi ucoach Khadoso balethe kule team benze kahle kakhulu Shane. Uma ungabheka, yes, someone will say okay, leya defense ayizange mhlawumbe ithole leya test kule front line ye MC Alger, but yini okuright abakwenzile even if bangayitholi le pressure, but uma banebhola ku build up yabo benza izinto eziright. Ukuvela kwabo Tebza, ukuvela kwabo Jaden but zama ukujoina. Ngimbonile uTebza bekakwazi today, umbonile ukuthi kunamabhola omistile wena Shane kule D-line ukuthi abe khona next to the box also, but ngimthanda umadlala as a 6. Ngihlala ngikutshela ngithi ngimthanda umadlala as a 6. If maybe unayo umdlali ozokwenzela lo msebenzi as a 6, you can allow Tebza ukuthi abe khona phambi kwalawo badlali mhlawumbe abadlala kule midfield. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi Shane ngendlela ngibone ngakhona mina iSundowns beyideserve le game Shane ukuthi vele na kanjani iwine, because look at abadlali abo-Sales the badlala ngakhona, bheka abo-Aubrey Modiba, bheka abo-Khuliso bakunikeze yonke lento. Kuyakubonisa ukuthi these guys bane experience labadlali abalethe enkundleni today for lama game afana nalawo. Sometimes you need abadlali abane experience ukudlala ama game afana ne-CAF Champions League because leyo character abanayo Shane, they will give you 10 out of 10 labo badlali. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi they played very well Shane. Well deserved win kuMamelodi Sundowns the way ngibona ngakhona. Akuzange mhlambe kube nenkinga ngale ndlela kulicembu le MC Alger ukuthi ngilibona linikeza iMamelodi Sundowns inkinga.
You think yenye yento ezenza umehluko ukuthi iSundowns had more players as experience ukuthi as it really further ku-CAF Champions League as compared to MC Alger, because you did allude to something earlier on ngosiqalayo ukuthi la early goal i-change i-plans ze-MC Alger.
Yeah.
Do you think mhlawumbe i-plans zabo even after zitshintshile mhlawumbe nabo baye banabo ukupenika, because ukhe wabona pha ibhenjini khe kwakhona ukuhluthuka kwenhliziyo pha? Do you think mhlawumbe le game nayo abayidlalanga approachanga as igame sebose bayidlala bayingenela nge-emotions umdlalo namhlanje i-MC Alger?
Yeah, ngiyacabanga Shane, especially mangena lela goal uyakhona ukubona ukuthi the more change yonke lento, it's not easy to attack i-team efana ne-Sundowns all out, while remember ukuthi Sundowns ina equality. Uzothi ufuna uku-attack ngale ndlela unabadlali abane-speed abafana nabo abo Matthews, abo Leon up front, abo Sales. So naye le izokunikeza i-problem as a coach ukuthi even if bakorile we understand yini mhlawumbe kumele ukuthi ngiyenze. So ngiyacabanga wena Shane ukuthi yilento mhlawumbe ngicabanga ukuthi ibenzile ukuthi bebangeke bamani bayi-attack iMamelodi Sundowns after scoring their goal. So uma ungayibheka wena Shane na the way coach Khadoso ayenza ama-sub wakhe ngakhona amsebenzele kakhulu Shane. Leya sub yakaThemba Zwane no-Allende, you know uma lethu Allende adonsa uMatthews beka i-aim yakhe ngendlela nami ngibona ngakhona ukuthi uSales ayekulela side, then bakwazi ukumanage igame because we are leading 1-0. Bakwazi ukumanage because second half beyiqale MC Alger ifuna at least ugain confidence, bafuna ukudlala la bhola bacombine ama touches, but ukuletha uAllende wabulala yonke lento le plan ye MC Alger. uAllende wenzani ucontrol le game management manje siyambona uloku busy uchange ama side uswitch play uletha ngapha ureceiver ngapha ulimikisa ngapha, kusho wona ukuthi uplay ne right kuletha umshishi uvele wacadelela yonke lento. Uma ungabheka umshishi ungene wenza kahle kakhulu Shane yena nomdlalo ofana noAllende benze ukuthi noma ingathi MC Alger ifuna ukubamba elinye gear to attack iSundowns so that they can equalize, kube nzima for bona because nabo abadlali abakwazi ukumanage igame, because always out defending ukuthi bathi win ibhola Shane bese uyalahla. Sometimes you defend ngebhola, that's how you defend. So iSundowns idefende ngebhola second half, especially ukuletha ukungena kwaka Allende nomdlalo ofana nomshishi kuvele kwacindezela leya team ukuthi ingasakwazi ukuza even though izamile ukuthi yeza but uma ungabheka bebenzani bebawina ibhola abadlali be-Sundowns bakwazi ukuthi bashaye lawo ma-pass forward pass la khona kunabo Mshishi kunabo Allende. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi yeah Shane ngendlela ingakhona well deserve congratulations to Mamelodi Sundowns.
Well, thank you so much, Bobzin. Umdlalo we-CAF Champions League, Mamelodi Sundowns against bethele MC Alger ngo-2-0, making sure ukuthi Sundowns nabo hlala phake ku-9 points lo mdlalo namhlanje, right?
No, being a 6 point, yeah, 9 points.
9 points.
Yes, you are right, Shane.
So now you're through to the quarterfinals. We'll see ukuthi nizodlala nabani ku-quarterfinals the CAF Champions League, but I heard something ukuthi ningadlala ne-Pyramids, might be a repeat of the final. Yeah, but it will depend. It will depend. I think by later than tonight or tomorrow, we should know ukuthi ubani ozodlala nobani. But namhlanje esiyaziyo ukuthi ke i-Sundowns they are through to quarterfinals is the CAF Champions League. It's Sundowns 2, MC Alger 0. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Thank you.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.